नमस्ते गुरुजी। जय गुरुजी महाराज। जय गुरुजी साथ संगत जी। साथ संगत जी, with the help of, with the assistance of, with the blessings of Guruji Maharaj, I am intent to recite satsang from Light of Divinity Divine Book. The Holy Granth Light of Divinity contains satsangs of old sanghas whose satsangs Guruji Maharaj had shortlisted himself, and the collections of those satsangs was accumulated in this divine granth. This is a collection of those old satsangs by old sanghajis. So one by one, today is the first day, and I request all of you to forgive me if I commit any mistake. Om Namah Shivaya, Shivji Sada Sahaya. Om Namah Shivaya, Guruji Sada Sahaya. Satsangat ji, now I will start the first satsang of this divine holy granth, Light of Divinity, in English. First topic of this divine granth is Shri Guru Simran. Shri Guru Simran. Our motherland has been blessed with the presence of Mahapurush who have since millennia been the helpsmen of its destiny. It's to them in their sheer power to evoke, nurture and protect dharma that the country owes its survival. It is to them that we owe the sustenance of our faith and the nursing of our unique, all-embracing ethos. These immortal sons of God have been the teachers of this country since a past unknown to historians and only allegorically represented in myths. India, with its great brood of men and women, has sat patiently before the seat of the Mahapurush and listened. And what it listened to has been given unstintingly to all lands, to all men. For India is beloved of the saints. Its streams, its hills, its placid plains, its icy peaks speak of a yearning for the divine that is its life blood, its line of fate, and the divine has often answered the call and descended to the humble abode of man. Within our era, Guruji was the embodiment of the divine. He was the Mahapurush of our age. He came to uplift humanity out of the morass of materialism. He came to guide it to its righteous duty. He came to lessen the sorrow of man, to show him his true image, to teach him the forgotten art of love and of sharing. He came to revive dharma and to replant it in more conducive surroundings. He said, he said that he was an evolution of divine light. He was not a body, a personality. For him, these were, so to say, the bodily dresses of existence. He was the blooming flower, and the devotees were the humming bees coming for divine nectar. They were drawn and they fell in love with him, and he taught them love, renunciation and wisdom, the very virtues on which India stands. There are no words to describe or evoke a Mahapurush like Guruji, for words cannot capture the infinite. Like signposts, they can only indicate the way and help the traveller along. They are merely, with the blessings of Guruji, catalyzed. They are not him. And therefore, They should be taken as tools and discarded once they have been made use of. He was known to all of us by a common noun that is perhaps the most common in a land of faith, Guruji. Yet, the Vedic word contained a vast hoardle of meaning and energy. If a disciple ever made so bold as to ask him what his name was, he would always say that Mahapurush have no name. And with this statement, he told us who he was, an ambassador of God, the king of all the worlds, nigh him himself. For the Guru is God. The Guru knows no one else but God. The Guru has no separate identity from that of God. It is now said that he attained Mahasamadhi on 31st May 2007, and we believe it because we had begun to know him as a body and a personality. We had become attached to him. But in the blink of an eye, his body was gone. He drew the curtains on the role he chose to play, for he was an avatar, a descent of divinity into flesh. He was Shiva, Nanak, and love incarnate. His Maya was powerful, and as at its bewildering behest, we saw him as a body and as a person. Yet it was never so. He was and is Ek Onkar, and he remains as our Holy Father, and we remain forever his children, and not, it seems, till we learn to listen to him as India always has, patiently, fully. It is said, and it is true, that by merely listening to the Guru, one becomes enlightened. Listen well, then, with these pages, these satsangs, to what Guruji has to say. It is his gift to the beloved children, and it is his word to you. Jai Guruji. Shukrana Guruji. So, Satsangaji, initially today is the first day, and to start with, we had all of us, all the Sanghas today, will be reciting only 2 pages, page number 1 and page number 2, that titles Shri Guru Simran. So, Satsangaji, tomorrow our colleagues will be reciting the same Granth in Hindi, Divya Abha. Please try to join these sharings, satsang sharing every day, because every alternative day it will be read in English and Hindi. Jai Guruji, Shukrana Guruji. Satsangaji, in my recitation, there must be some errors in my pronunciation, and I request all of you to forgive me. I will try to improve. Jai Guruji, Shukrana Guruji. Om Namah Shivaya, Shivji Sada Sahai. Om Namah Shivaya, Guruji Sada Sahai. Om Namah Shivaya, Shivji Sada Sahai. Om Namah Shivaya, Guruji Sada Sahai. Om Namah Shivaya, Shivji Sada Sahai. Om Namah Shivaya, Guruji Sada Sahai. जय गुरु जी, शुक्राना गुरु जी, हर पल शुक्राना मेरे शुक्राना गुरु जी. जय गुरु जी, जय गुरु जी, जय गुरु जी.